Alright, what is going on, everybody? We are back with another video, and I'm doing my first ride and I guess kind of review of the EJK fuel controller, and then I also got the Yoshi Exhaust on there. So we're going to take it out today, go on some trails, grab some lunch, and ride it around, see how she feels with the new mods. So this Yoshi Exhaust, yeah, it's pretty loud. It's much louder than stock, but really, it's not like ear-piercing or obnoxiously loud like I've seen some exhausts. If you watch the install, you know it is just a slip-on, but it definitely, I think it's the perfect in-between of loud and not too obnoxiously loud. I know it's a little hard to tell on video. Getting onto a bigger road here in a second. Let's do a little. And obviously I did the EJK and the exhaust at the same time. So the gains I'm feeling is really kind of a combination of both, I guess. They say a pipe doesn't really give it power, but the difference is that I noticed with the EJK are more so how the bike rolls on into the power. It's a little more hard at hitting. Have a cop. I think we're good. But there you go, like, the bike would not pop up for a wheelie in third gear like that before I had the EJK and exhaust. Or maybe it would if I hit it perfectly with the clutch, you know. But now it does it so much more easy, and that alone makes these upgrades worth it to me. That's what I wanted. I wanted to be able to hit third gear wheelies, and keep in mind that I'm still on the stock gearing, so I still have that 14-tooth sprocket installed currently, and I have a 13-tooth sprocket waiting to go on there. I just have not got, oh, this is a dead end. I was trying to get off the main road a little bit for a second, but so I think once I get that 13-tooth sprocket on there, whenever I do make the switch, I'm not really in a rush to get that installed yet, but I think that'll make a good difference too. I've heard from people. But let's go ahead and do a little pull. So there's a little pull for you guys, and I do think it pulls harder, definitely. I believe soon here I might do another 0 to 60 video and compare it to the 0 to 60 times that I had when the bike was stock. That'll be interesting to see. But yeah, that alone, for like being able to pop it up in third gear like that, much more easier now, that alone makes these mods worth it. And then with the Yoshi Exhaust, I just love how that thing looks and sounds. It's, as I've been saying earlier, I really don't think it's obnoxiously loud, because that would get on. I'm not the type of person to run just stupid loud stuff. I'm pretty sure there's a baffle I can still take out of this Yoshi that I just probably never will, because I'm super happy with it. Gonna grab me a little hot dog. Alright, let's hit a quick trail real quick. I don't need to make this video too long. Kind of just wanted to go over, you know, Was the EJK worth it? I think the price came out to about $225 for the EJK, so it's not cheap. And for me it was. Could I have enjoyed the bike stock? Absolutely, I was enjoying the bike stock. But if this can give me that little extra oomph that I feel like I needed, and I haven't been in these trails in a while, they're kind of overgrown. But yeah, it definitely was worth it for me, and the exhaust too. I know a lot of people the exhaust may not be for them. I think the exhaust came out to like $530 US, and there's cheaper options. You can get a slip-on exhaust for $200, maybe even cheaper than that. But I wanted something that I really liked the look of, and the Yoshi was my favorite looking exhaust. And I think the sound is, you know, I haven't heard other exhausts, so I can't say the sound is the best, but it sounds really good. So I'm very happy with my purchases on these modifications, and I don't think I'll be really doing anything else to it. I'm super happy with the bike. Like I was talking about earlier in the video, eventually I'll put that 13.2 sprocket on, see how I like that. I don't know where I am right. Oh, there's another trail. I was about to say, I don't know where the heck I'm going. Eventually I'll put that 13.2 sprocket on, see how I like that, and but that'll be about the only other change I make pretty much. But the tuner itself, did it make it like a whole new, like a crazy new bike? Not really, but it made small differences that I could feel, and they were worth it to me, in my opinion. Oh, we got some Harley boys. Alright, well I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick little short look at how she feels and how she rides with the new mods on there, the slip-on and the EJK tuner. I'm really happy with it. I just wanted to give my thoughts, and show a couple pulls and maybe a wheelie, and I will throw a link for the EJK. I believe it's still out of stock, but hopefully they get those back in stock soon. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Stay tuned, guys. I got some really good videos coming very soon, so be sure to subscribe and drop a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.